Okay, here we have the happy water valve for an air conditioner. It just has one little problem. Oops, somebody broke the cap tube off. So I'm going to see if maybe we can fix this cap tube. Okay, in getting this prepped, I'm going to go ahead and cut this cap tube. Now I don't use a tubing cutter, you can just use a file. And all you're going to do is just kind of etch a little slot all around this tubing. So what happens when you do that, then the tubing just kind of breaks off. Okay, you can see the hole is good on it. If I use a tubing cutter, if I can get one that'll go small enough, I may still not be able to have continuity through it because it tends to squish down the ends. So I'm going to go ahead and put this back on here, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. Okay, I've got one side of this mounted. I put a little piece of 1/4-inch tubing in there, and I'm going to put this in here, and I don't put them down to where they hit each other. I want to keep them apart. That's why I used a fairly long piece of tubing. And then I'm going to squish the tubing around the cap tube. Okay. That's pretty much it. If you can see that okay. I'm a little concerned about the solder here because I don't know if that's high temp or low temp. If it's low temp, this will be short-lived. It'll probably just blow off. So I'm going to go ahead and give a shot to brazen that up. Okay, put a little pressure on it, a lot of pressure on it. Obligatory leak check. Looks like it's sealed. Okay, would I do this in the field? Actually, I probably would. It's unusual to have this happen, but it does happen occasionally. And as long as I can keep the heat, from getting too much into there, I'm okay. Do this with capillary tubes on air conditioners also. Sometimes you get a cap tube that'll rub against each other and rub a hole in them. You can do that there too. But that's on the water valve, and it'll work. It's a lot cheaper than a brand new water valve.